Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. In today's video, we're going to make a hotkey for the three-point curve. I use the three-point curve a lot, but when I want to get it, I've got to go to the here and then down the three-point curve to get my three-point curve line, which I draw with a lot. So let's just make a hotkey for it and make it a one number, and we'll use the number 3. So just go to Tools, Options, Customization, go down to Commands, and under the toolbox, so yours might come up with this, but if you'll go down to Toolbox, your three-point curve will be right there. Now you've got three-point. You got more than that. You got a three-point call-out, three-point curve, three-point ellipse, three-point rectangle. Make sure you pick three-point curve. Double-click on it, and then go to Shortcut Keys, and just type in the letter 3 or the number 3 and assign it, and then hit OK. So you see I've got the pick tool, and I'm just going to hit the number 3, and I've got my three-point curve line. Now if you hit the space bar, it'll go back to your pick tool, and then back and forth between the two tools, the last two tools picked. So we can grab this, then hit the space bar, or if we've got the magnifying glass and zoom in, we can still hit the 3 key, the number 3, and get that hotkey. You can do that with almost any other item. They're really helpful, and that'll be an easy one to remember. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.